Hey guys, so today we will be learning about ecosystems. This is a flipped lesson, so you will need your notebook. And if you don't have it, you can just use a piece of paper and add it in later. That's fine. You just have to be sure to add it in. Um, we'll start out with our bell work, and you'll just do it under today's date in your notebook. And so the bell ringer today is define biotic and abiotic and give 3 examples of each. And then out on the side, you'll draw a picture of like a little sketch of biotic and abiotic. And you can pause me now. You get 5 minutes to do so. Um, but I'll pause also and then we'll continue. Alright, so you should be finished defining biotic and abiotic now and sketching your picture in your journal under today's date. So we will move on now. We're going to go on to like kind of a review, like the focus questions of this lesson. Okay, so the first question is, what is a population? And you will do this underneath your bell work. You'll just write the question and then write your answer. Um, but yeah, okay, so we'll move on to the next one now. What is a community? What is an environment? What is an ecosystem? What does it mean to decompose? What is a niche? What is a habitat? And what is an organism? And now you can pause me again and answer those questions, and when you come back, we'll have the answers. Alright, you should have all of those answered now. Let's move on and find out if we got them right or not. Okay, so a population is a group of organisms belonging to the same species. Alright, a community is when a population shares environments and interact with other species. So, like say a bear is living in an environment and a deer is in an environment. They're two different species, but they're in the same environment interacting with each other. So they're a community. Alright, and then we had environment. And the environment is everything around us. So light, water, air, that all makes up our environment. Alright, and then our ecosystem, that's what our whole lesson's over, is just organisms that live in an environment. That makes up our ecosystem. Okay, what does it mean to decompose? It's when an organism decomposes organic material. Okay. Then a niche, it's where an organism lives and the role it plays in the ecosystem. So like there's like a cycle that goes, so like where it's at in the cycle. Alright, and then our next one was, what is a habitat? And that's the natural home or environment of an animal, plant, or other organism. Alright, and then we have organism. And that is an individual, animal, or plant, or single-celled life form. How many of y'all got them all right? I hope everybody. Alright. Alright, so now I'm going to hold up a few pictures of different ecosystems. They're all going to be freshwater ecosystems. But I would like you to jot down in your notebook underneath your focus questions, like different things you notice, characteristics about all the different ecosystems that you see. Alright, let me grab them. and you can pause it now and look at all the different ones and jot down your characteristics, and then come back in a second. Okay, so in all the pictures that I just showed, I noticed that there was different things about it. Like there's biotic, abiotic, there's the components that make up our ecosystem. So I just wanted to show you this picture again because it kind of lays it out very nice. Okay, so right here we have your living stuff down here. Circle it, that's a plant. And then we have the bunny. Those are biotic. And then we have like rocks and I guess water. That's not living. Water and stuff. That's not living. So that's going to be your abiotic. And then we have the components that make up the environment. We have a sun. We have water, soil, air. Those are all components that make up our environment. So I like this picture because it really lays it out. All right. Okay, so our overall assignment for the ecosystem is going to be to make a poster with a drawing of an ecosystem that you thought of yourself. So you'll draw it, you'll color it, and you'll label it. I have done a quick sketch of one, and it'll all be on a poster board. But I've done a quick sketch of one that I would like to show you. Mine isn't colored, but yours will be. But okay, so mine has biotic, abiotic. It has different, a variety. It has the ecosystem component, the environment components added in. Okay, so here we go. This is it. This is what you will do. This is a full poster board, and I just sketched it out real fast. But it's got your sun, it's got the water, the tree trunk, the dead tree trunk that's non-living anymore. You have the plants, the water weeds is what we call them. Your snail, your fish, your frog, your rabbit. And those are all living, and they make up your ecosystem. They go through the cycle, and you have your bushes. So this is what I expect from the poster boards that I will receive. And they must be colored, like I said. Mine is not. But this was just a quick sketch to kind of show you, kind of model it for you. But yeah, okay, so that will be due back on the next class period. You can bring that to me. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this ecosystem flipped lesson. And I will see y'all in class.